Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing and giving you my order experience of the Pottle. A while ago I seen this video of a nail technician mixing up her own nail polish, and considering I'm obsessed with nail polish, I thought, that's what I need. When I went to order the Pottle, I thought it was quite expensive, and I knew I was also going to have to pay quite a lot for shipping. A few weeks ago I received an email saying that they were doing the Pottle 2 for 1. Even though it was still going to be expensive, I decided to order it anyway. At first, I only added one to the basket, thinking they would automatically send out the other one. However, when they sent out the email, I realised that you had to add both to the basket and they would take the money off. So I asked them to cancel my order, which they did straight away. I went back to the website and put 2 in the basket. Both Pottles, including shipping, came to $43.95, which is around £34. Considering I wanted these for a while, I didn't really think that was unreasonable. While I was waiting for it to be delivered, I spent about £35 on glitter from eBay. I wanted to be well prepared for it arriving. Once it arrived at the sorting office, I had to go and pick it up and pay an additional $16.52 for handling and VAT. So in total, these 2 Pottles ended up costing over £58. I mean, I know I wanted to make more nail polish, but even I think that's too expensive. If you order these, make sure you go right to the bottom of the box, because that's where you'll find the extra balls and brushes. I didn't realise they were in there and I accidentally put them in the bin. Luckily, I managed to contact them and they got back to me telling me that they were in the very bottom of the box before I put the bin out. Inside each box, you get a Pottle with a stirring wand. At the bottom of the delivery box, you'll receive a spare brush and mixing balls. I also received a little packet of glitter, as you can see here on the left. The clear nail polish that I chose to use was Poundland's own. The only reason I used this is because it was the cheapest I could find. In future, I would like to use a high gloss clear nail varnish. It's recommended that you use 2 parts nail polish and 1 part glitter. I mixed 3 different types of glitter in this nail polish, and for some reason my skills just weren't cooperating when I was putting the glitter on them. Obviously I ended up putting way too much glitter in, but I went out the next day and bought measuring spoons to make sure I get it perfect next time. After giving it a really good stir, I tested it out on a piece of paper to see how it looked. Considering this was only my first attempt, I don't think I done too bad. Originally I had planned on using only 5ml of clear nail polish, but because I'd put so much glitter in, I ended up using 10ml. At the moment, I'm waiting on mixing balls and empty nail polish bottles to arrive in the post so that I can decant this into its own bottle. This is what the finished product was like at first, and this was only 1 coat. Obviously this was a little bit thick and I have thinned it down since then. I can now achieve this look in 2 coats. Let me know in the comments what you think of the results, and do you think these 2 Pottles are worth £50? If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Bye!